Hi guys, matuto sa mga homeless ron guys. Ato na silang panghatagan og timbits guys, at the same time with water guys. Mary Miss drop in center guys, Calgary, para mag-share ng blessings guys. Loisab kayo ni mga tawana guys, mga homeless so niya nalaslas kawas, so nagdalamig timbits guys kasi tubig. Hopefully guys sa gamayng pamaagi makatabang tayo na guys. Thank you.
Yeah, water. You can give them water, guys. We're giving something, guys.
Whenever you need me, I'll be by your side.
Yeah, would you like some?
I love you
Tidbits.
more and more and more each
Yeah, you
day.
can give.